Only a girl will guess these 10 logos. Number 1. Starbucks. Number 2. Netflix. Number 3. Instagram. If you got the first 3 correct, hit the like button. Number 4. Chanel. Number 5. Pinterest. Number 6. Dove. If I guess who comes up first when you click share and then more, you owe me a follow. If it was your best friend, hit that follow button. Number 7. Chipotle. Number 8. Louis Vuitton. Number 9. Pampers. Don't forget to comment your score. Only a girl will get the last one.